Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials and immediate actions. Get the model, motherboard ID and BIOS maker now so you can match procedures precisely. Power down, unplug, and use an anti-static strap to avoid damage. Remove main battery and, if reachable, the CMOS coin cell to reset settings. Once done, wait a full 5 minutes for residual charge to dissipate. Make sure to keep screws organized and document every step. This saves time when reassembling and prevents mistakes later. Next, you perform the hardware reset to clear the BIOS password. Find the clear CMOS jumper on the motherboard and move it to the clear position for 10 to 30 seconds, then return it. If the jumper is absent, remove the coin cell for 10 to 20 minutes and press the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to discharge capacitors. This reliably resets CMOS values. Once you reseat the battery and restore the jumper, reconnect power and boot straight to BIOS setup to verify that the password is cleared and settings are default. Finish by entering BIOS, restore defaults, save changes, and reboot. Reconfigure secure boot and boot order as required. If the password remains, you may need a vendor master reset code or an authorized service flash tool. These address manufacturer-level locks. Make sure to document any error messages and steps you took before seeking support. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Recheck jumper placement and coin cell orientation first. Incorrect positioning is the most common reason resets fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.